What are you doing with that balloon?
That's my balloon.
Is that your balloon?
Yeah.
What are you doing with it?
What's that? Whoa!
Are you crazy?
Yeah.
I like your hat. Careful.
Whoa!
Whoa! Are you playing with Chuck now? You're crazy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here's the balloon. That's mine. It's Mommy's. Give me that balloon. Give me that balloon. Give me that balloon. Give me that balloon. Give me that balloon.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Harper silly. Harper, how old are you? How old are you? Woo! Are you 2? Are you 2?
Yeah.
Are you cute? Are you silly?
I just, yeah, there was Rex.
You're lying down with Rex. Yeah.
Yes, it's Rex.
Oh, look at all those teeth.
Where's Rex? See it?
I see him.
I don't want that.
You're silly.
Dad, Mommy, why you down with Harper?
You want Mommy to lay down with Harper?
Oh.